found it.
You blew it?
The blown fuse for the Tundra.
Well, obviously something's causing it to blow over and over again, so...
Yeah.
It's not a hot Latina.
What?
What?
Look, fuse is blown. It's blown. You want to eat it?
Not with the screwdriver.
Ooh. Anyway.
I've been pumping for like 10 minutes.
What?
What?
Oh my God. And he's all lubed up.
I am.
You making a mess?
I am, absolutely.
While you're pumping the lube? Are you moaning while you do that?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't moan.
Yeah, you just lay there and sweat like me?
No, I breathe.
You
I
breathe.
don't sweat because I'm out of shape.
Fuck, this guy's a prick. Anyway.
You set yourself up for that.
There we go. There's the fuse. I'll pop the fuse in there, see if the throttle works. Got a feeling that it's going to need a pedal, though. All right, so I swapped out the fuse. Do I have the key in here? Of course I don't. All right, let me go get the key. All right, got the key. Come on, baby. And it magically works. Now we got to figure out why it blows. Why does it blow, Xander? Why does your... Never mind. Why do you blow?
I don't. That's Scotty.
Oh, yeah. Well, look at his license plate. It says She 1990. She 1990, girl. Anyway, I guess I can go around the block now in this and see if it'll blow a fuse.
Yeah.
Xander, here's your screwdriver I borrowed. Oh, I'll put it away. All right. So let's go around the block. Slowly and carefully, please. Oh, turn, bitch. Holy suspension clunkies. I know it's on the list, but holy moly. Throttle's lazy. Brakes work. Wow. It is pinging really hard when you give it any throttle. Super lean. So we need to figure out why that is as well. Oh my God. Holy vibration. It's like re-entering the atmosphere. Oh, it's shifted okay. That's a plus. And all the lights are off except the ABS light, but we know that's a wheel speed sensor, so. Ooh, God. Way lean. Alright, so we know definitely obviously needs fresh fuel. And I think they need a level sender, they were telling me. Okay, so we'll work on making a list here. It's stalled out entirely on me. Alright, sorry, I had to set the phone down because I was like, what the hell? See, I randomly stalled. That was weird. When I came to a stop. Like, almost did it again. Oh, it did do it again. You bastard. Alright. That's total throttle position issues. That is definitely in the pedal. That's what would make it lean. Wow. We're idling at like 300 RPM. Oh, and it shut off again. Not happy. Cute. Alright, so I want to test this pedal. I want to test the correlation, the resistance, and I want to test the throttle body as well. But the pedal's easier, so we'll do the pedal first. But that's a tomorrow problem. And go ahead and stall out because we're just going to park you here anyway for the night.